Hi, my name is Leslie Moselle and I'm from Tampa, Florida, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to demonstrate the multiple uses of makeup applicators. Lesson 5, the contour brush. For those of you who aren't aware, the contour brush is used to apply your blush. And with most classic blushes, they do come with an applicator, but they're not really as great as the contour brush. As you can see the difference, the classic blush brush is just a normal brush, but the contour brush is shaped in an angle just to help you better apply your blush the way it actually is supposed to be applied. So I'll go ahead and give you an example with both the classic blush, which is in the classic case, and it's in a matte form, or the powder blush, which is just a loose powder. So basically you just dab the powder brush or the contour brush into your blush, and from the apple of your cheeks, as you can see this part here, you're going to apply the blush from the apple of your cheeks to the temple in an angled fashion. And the shape of the contour brush actually makes that easier than most brushes, that you have a nice angle to it instead of just a straight line. And that's the same use for the other blushes. You just dab it into the powder and apply it.